Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Saga and today we are gonna see how to achieve concurrency in Go language. Right, so first of all we should know what is concurrency here. So concurrency means when two actions perform in parallel, right? So okay, let's do the coding now. So for that, what I do here, I create one function, let's say func print, and here I pass, you know, one string object, and then I write here fmt dot print ln, and here I okay, here I print I, and after that what I do, no, I print here str, correct, and I do it in a loop. So I write something like for I colon is equal to 1, and it goes up to 5, and then I plus plus, and here I open one brace and then I close it, correct. Seems good. After that, I create one more function. No need to create one more function, right? We can achieve concurrency with the help of one function only. Okay, now we have to call this function. Okay, so how do we call it? We call it with the help of function name, right? And here we pass the argument. So I write here hello. Let's run it now, and let's see the output. See, this is my output. Hello, 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 hello. Hello is printed 4 times. Cool. Now what I do, I write print function here 2 times. So here I write something like hello world. Now run it. See, here what is happening. First, so whenever we are calling this print function, so first it print hello. I mean, first it executed this part, this function, and then it executed the second function, right? So what does it mean? It means it is happening, in a it is happening in a line, in a row. Okay, so we want to do it in parallelly. So how can we do it? We can call this function. Okay, we can call any function with go keyword. So I write here go print, and then here also I write go print. Now run it. See, we didn't get any output, okay, and we are not getting output still. So what is happening here? We have to use a time function, right? Because we want to see the output. So I import time package, right? And here I okay, and here what I do, I write time dot sleep. It is happening in a very fast way, right? So that's why we are not getting any output here. So I write time dot sleep, and here I pass 1000. Okay, seems good. Let's run it. We are getting error because cannot refer to unexported name time dot sleep. Okay, let's check it what is happening. So when I write time, so time dot sleep, we have it, right? Sleep function, we have it here. So here I pass 1000. Now run it. Okay, now also we are not getting any output. Why so? Let's debug it. Let's run it again. I should write this below this print statement. So let's run it now. So still we are not getting any result. So what we can do it, we can remove one go from here. Okay. So this is the normal function, right? Normal function we can say, and this is go routine function, right? This is the go routine. Now we run it and we'll see it. See, first it printed hello, right? So copy this, move up, move this up, move this up also. Now see the output. First it printed hello, then it printed world, and then world, then hello, then world and world, right? So it is something like it is happening it is happening simultaneously, right? In a parallel way. So this is nothing but routine. So in the next video, I will tell you more advantages of Go routine in Go language. So I hope you guys have liked that video. If you do, do subscribe and share.